Cargo 79055, roger. Cargo 79055, heading 080, radar vectors for climb, maintain 9,000 feet.
Maintain 9,000 feet, left heading 080. Cargo 7955.
Thai 601, cancel speed restriction.
Cancel speed restriction, Thai 601.
Bohemia 706, descend to 4,000 feet.
4,000, Bohemia 706.
Cathay 725, climb to flight level 130.
130, Cathay 725.
Japan Air 290, contact director 119.5 with call sign only.
With a call sign orange banner tonight.
Oranges, good afternoon, British Hotel 132, passing 3,000, climbing 5,000.
Hong Kong Shuttle 132, Hong Kong departure, setting passing altitude.
Pass 1,000, climbing 5,000.
Hong Kong Shuttle 132, climb by SID to 9,000 feet, identified.
Climb by the SID, 9,000 feet, Hong Kong Hotel 1, identified.
Cargo.
Departure, good afternoon, Macau 162, climbing 6,000, passing 5,400, call 3373, Closeup 3 Tango.
Air Macau 162, Hong Kong departure, identified, climb unrestricted to flight level 120.
First 6 climb, flight level 120, Macau 162.
Cargo 79055, turn up heading 070.
Heading 070, maintaining 9,000 feet, cargo 79055. 280 knots.
Standby, Bohemia 706, contact director 119.5 with call sign only.
195, Bohemia 706, bye-bye.
Cargo 79055, climb to flight level 160.
60, cargo 7955.
Singapore.
Good afternoon, China 2068, airborne passing 1,800.
China Eastern 2068, Hong Kong departure, identified, climb by SID to 7,000 feet.
Proceed, climb to 7,000 feet, China 2068.
Cargo 79055, turn left heading 340.
Left heading 340, cargo 7955.
Singapore 892, descend to 8,000 feet, QNH 1015, runway 07F.
1015 for 07 left and request heading of 305, due weather.
Singapore 892, heading 305, approved, descend to 8,000 feet, QNH 1015.
305 approved, descend 8,000 feet on 1015, Singapore 892.
Cathay 725, climb to flight level 160.
Level 160, Cathay 725.
Cathay 543, proceed direct lines, descend to 8,000 feet, QNH 1015.
Direct lines, 8,000, QNH 1015, Cathay 543.
Air Macau 162, climb to flight level 230.
Level 230, Air Macau 162.
Cathay 725, contact radar 123.47.
12347, Cathay 725.
Cab
005, flight level 130, speed 250 with left.
Cathay 005, Hong Kong approach, expect runway 07 left, descend to reach flight level 110 in 8 miles.
Hotel 07 left, stand 110, reach 8 miles. Cathay 005.
Cargo 79055, turn up heading 250.
250, cargo 7955.
Departures, Hong Kong Hotel 132, 9,000.
Shuttle 132, roger.
Departure, good evening, Saudi 977, passing 2,000, climbing 5,000, Pecan 1 Alpha.
Saudi 977, Hong Kong departure, identified, climb by SID to 7,000 feet.
Climb via the SID to 7,000 feet, Saudi 977.
Cathay 543, descend to 4,000 feet, maintain speed 230 knots or greater.
30 knots or greater, descend altitude 4,000, Cathay 543.
299, descend to 1,500 feet, turn right heading 040, pre-LS approach runway 07 left. And 2068, climb and maintain 9,000 feet.
9,000 feet, China 2068.
Singapore 892, reduce speed to 250 knots. Singapore 892, approved.
Alright, so call Singapore 892. If you have question for your readability 2x5, there's
And then 424, how do you read now?
loud and clear, 5x5. Thank you.
Level 130, cross cyber for level 260 RBI.
Descend to level 130 and cyber at level 260 meter, station 070.
800 meters or above.
Vehicle to cross vehicle 4,800 meters or above, cargo 7955.
Airline 502, contact Zhuhai 120.35.
12035 Vietnam 502, good day.
Bohemia 679, contact approach 119.1.
Approach 191, Bohemia 679, good day.
China Eastern 5018, airborne passing 2,700 feet.
China Eastern 5018, Hong Kong departure identified. Climb by SID to 9,000 feet.
Go SID, climb to 9,000 feet, China 5018.
Cargo 7955, cancel speed restriction. Contact Guangzhou 125.35.
Cancel speed restriction 12535, cargo 7955.
Airspeed 8766, contact radar 118.92.
I-92 airspeed 8876, good day. Hong Kong, good day, Nicole 136, Closeup 3 Tango, passing 5,000 for 6,000 feet, squawk 3374.
Air Macau 136, Hong Kong departure identified. Climb unrestricted to flight level 120.
Climb unrestricted, flight level 120, Macau 136.
Saudi 977, contact approach 119.1.
19.1, 977, good day.
Approach 959, descending flight level 130, information kilo.
Cathay 959, Hong Kong approach, expect runway 07 left.
Expect 07 left, 959.
Shuttle 821.
A129.1. Right. Cathay 884, clear direct to Alpha. Clear direct to Alpha, Cathay 884.
29, Roger, contact approach.
0.
Thai 601 radar, maintain flight level 110.
Chandler 110, 601. Down 900 meters, Chinese 2068. Information kilo.
Shuttle 821, Hong Kong approach, descend to flight level 110.
Descend flight level 110, Hong Kong Shuttle 821.
Air Macau 136, climb to flight level 230. Expedite past flight level 140.
230, expedite passing 140, Macau 136.
Air Macau 162, contact radar 118.92.
Radar 118.92, Macau 162, good day.
Shuttle 132, climb to flight level 250.
Flight level 250, Hotel 136.
China Eastern 2068, cross speed code flight level 4,800 meters or above.
The cross go 4,800 meters above China 2068.
Cathay 005, contact approach 119.1.
191, Cathay 005.
Cathay 9059, when able, proceed direct Tango Delta, descend to flight level 110.
Descend level 10 and request heading 290 due weather.
Cathay 9059, heading 290 approved.
Heading 290 approved, Cathay 9059.
Shuttle 132, contact radar 118.92.
Tail official 132.
Cathay 9059, advise heading 290 for how many miles?
20 miles, Cathay 959.
Cathay 959, indicate DB to the left available. Request at the heading to the left.
Stand by please, Cathay 959. Heading 245, Cathay 959.
Cathay 959, heading 245, approved.
Heading 245 approved, Cathay 959. And we're descending 110.
Cathay 959, Roger, maintain flight level 110 and reaching.
Departure Shenzhen 99092, passing 2,200 feet.
Shenzhen 99092, Hong Kong departure identified. Climb by SID to 9,000 feet.
Climb SID, climb to 9,000 feet, Shenzhen 99092.
0.
Flight level 250, SID 977.
Cathay 740, contact approach 119.1.
Decimal 1, Cathay 740, bye-bye. 25, 5 China 206, bye.
Departure Shenzhen 99092, confirm cancel altitude restriction.
7903180 knots, turn right heading 340.
To 9,000 feet, 992.
4892, the fly heading 315, radar access for the approach.
Heading 315. Or
Cathay 543, photo public speed operator, yes, established. Shuttle 821, contact approach 119.1.
119.1, Hong Kong Shuttle 821, bye-bye. 4,000, 250 knots, Cathay 005.
Approach, good afternoon, Hong Kong Shuttle 821, flight level 110.
Hong Kong Shuttle 821 approach, good afternoon. Information Kilo, runway 07 left. Descend to 4,000 feet, QNH 1015.
Descend 4,000 feet, QNH 1015, runway 07 left, Hong Kong Shuttle 821.
Bravo, copy the CSAN estimate 0558, POB 1,500 feet.
Airport Hotel 53 Bravo.
Cathay 543, contact tower 118 base 7 today. ...601, climb to flight level 250.
Ambulance 250, type 601.
Approach runway 07. Descend to reach flight level 110 by Murray.
During to Murray, descend to 110 by Murray, Air China 419.
Air China 419, reduce speed 230 knots.
Reduce 230 knots, Air China 419. 50, flight level 1208 bar, ISO 2.
Direct to Alpha.
ISO 2.
Cathay 9059, contact approach 119, decimal 1.
119.1, Cathay 9059.
China Eastern 5018, climb to flight level 160.
Level 160, China Eastern 5018.
Giant 612, climb to flight level 160.
Climb flight level 160, Giant 612.
Shenzhen Niner 092, climb to flight level 160.
Come to flight level 160, Shenzhen 092.
A740, descend to 4,000 feet. Cathay 9059, descend to 6,000 feet, QNH 1015, maintain 250 knots.
250 knots, descend 6,000, 1015, Cathay 959.
136, climb to flight level 330.
Climb flight level 330, Macau 136. 601.
2230 knots.
3230 knots, Hong Kong Shuttle 821.
Then 200 meters, reach by debris.
126 decimal 3. Verify C180, national data, descend to 2,000 feet.
2,180. 005.
Singapore 892, turn right heading 0430, at approach runway 07 left. 260 or below.
Continue descent, flight level 130, front side door, flight level 260 or below, Cathay 1658.
80.
Runway flight level 180, China Eastern 5018.
102, follow public.
Times, descend to 4,000 feet.
Lines, descend maintain 4,000 feet, Cathay 959.